Shocks, ang dark ng tinted sunscreen na to. Merong bagong nilabas na tinted sunscreen si Fresh. Ito yung kanilang 2-in-1 collagen mattifying tinted sunscreen with hyaluronic acid. Bago ko ibigay yung comments ko is, itry muna natin siya sa aking face. Nakalagay dito sa description nila is micropigment tone adapting technology. So it means, pwede sa moreno and pwede sa maputi. So now, let's blend it on my skin. Ayan yung color niya. Medyo natakot ako kasi akala ko maitim. What? Wait lang. Ano to? Ba't ganito? Ang ganda. Pag biniblend nyo siya is nag-a-adapt talaga yung color niya. Look at that. Parang wala. Ito, i-blend ulit natin siya. Wow. Ang ganda, B. Look. Tingnan nyo. Yung finish niya, guys, is matte talaga. As yung nakalagay naman dito is mattifying talaga siya. And look, it's really matte. Mostly kasi yung mga tinted sunscreen ko is yung finish nila is dewy, ganyan. And ito yung isa na meron akong tinted sunscreen na mattifying, which is good kasi I have super oily skins. And for me, super pasok to sa weather natin sa Philippines kasi sobrang lagkit, di ba dito? So, hindi kayo maglalapot-lapot agad dito kasi nga, it's mattifying. When it comes to coverage naman, guys, don't expect too much na mako-cover up talaga yung inyong mga blemishes or pimples. Because tinted sunscreen can really help like to improve your skin lang. Parang balat nyo pa rin, pero mas healthier looking, ganun. And also, guys, meron na din siyang SPF 70 PA4+. So, mataas yung protection na yun sa skin, which is good. I like the finish kahit mattifying siya. Hindi siya nagbubuo-buo. Kasi meron din siyang hyaluronic acid, which is a really good ingredient talaga to hydrate and moisturize our skin. Feeling ko, ito na din yung isa sa magiging go-to tinted sunscreen ko. Kasi guys, minsan ayoko na ng like, nagme-makeup sa labas. Like, sunscreen lang and then blush and then powder. That's all. Kaya kung oily kayo, super recommend ko to. And if dry skin kayo, okay lang din na itry nyo to kasi meron naman siyang hydrating ingredients so you don't need to worry. And yeah, that's it. Always keep your skin protected.